Swaminathan. Rishi is 13 years old, a young budding artist, starting her training under Guru Gayatri Sundar, who will also be performing today. In January 2020, he embarked on his musical journey with Srimati Kiranavalli Vidyashankar and has blossomed and received many prizes during competitions held by premier organizations in US such as Simana, Tyagaraja Aradhana, and many more. And he has given solo performances also. He attends Eagle View Middle School in Mechanicsburg and is in 8th grade. So he will be singing Swaminatha Paripalaya in Ragam Nattai and set to Aditala, which is the composition of Muthuswami Dikshitar. So let's welcome him with a big hand, and also accompanying him is Vasan and Rajan.
Swaminatha Paripalaya Shuma 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 Saya pa ma 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 ni sa ni sa ma pa ga ma sa ni ni sa ni ga ma pa ni pa ma ma ni sa ni sa pa ni ma pa ga ma sa ni sa ni ga ma pa ni pa ma ma ni sa ni sa ma ga ma ma ni pa ma ga ma ni sa ni sa ni ga ma pa ga ma pa sa ni pa ma ni sa ni pa sa ni pa ma ni sa ni ga ma pa ga ni sa ni pa ma ni sa sa ni pa ma ma ni sa ni sa ma ga ma ma ni pa sa ni sa ma ni sa ni pa ni pa ma ga ma